Want to say hi? You interrupted me, now I have to start over. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be tie-dyeing a pair of old Brandy sweatpants that I have had for years. I've never tie-dyed before, so I don't even know if it's gonna end up looking good, but I bought a tie-dye kit on Amazon, so we're gonna see if I can figure it out. Today is day 7 of our self-quarantine, and this is gonna be going up sometime next week though. I'm going to open this, and then I think I have to fill up the dye things with water. So I'm going to do that, and then I will be back. I just went and I filled the dyes with water, like you're supposed to fill it with water, and then there's powder in there. And then I put on 2 layers of gloves, and now we're gonna section the sweatpants. So these are the ones I'm dyeing, and they just have like these words on the side. So I think the way I'm gonna do it is like section it evenly and then have it like ombre. I don't know. So what I'm going to do is, wait, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors. Okay, so I'm gonna do 5 sections. I'm gonna section the pants, and then I'm gonna come back and show you what it looks like. It's gonna take a minute to figure it out. So basically this is how I section them off. And now I guess I'm gonna start. I think I'm gonna start with, I think I'm gonna do yellow, green, blue, purple, pink. Kind of nervous. I'm gonna flip it over and then do the back side. I finished tie-dyeing. I'm gonna take off my gloves and then show you what they look like up close, because they actually kind of look cool, and I'm kind of excited. I hope it turns out okay. So up close, this is what they look like. I just sectioned it off like that, and then I tried to get like as much as I can, but I think there's just gonna be white spots, but they're looking pretty cool. So basically what happens now is you let them sit for 8 hours or longer if you want the color to be vibrant. So right now it's 11 in the morning, and I'll probably like wash them at like 10 tonight just to and see where they're at. So I'm excited, and then I'll show you what they look like. So this is how they turned out. Honestly, I'm pretty proud of it for it being my first time. And the cool thing is you can still see the letters on the side, but if I were to do this again, I'd use more dye in the bigger sections because there's a lot of white. So that is it for this video. I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching it. I'd say this was a pretty good attempt and kind of successful first attempt at tie-dyeing. Definitely, if I were to do this again, I would use more tie-dye in like the top part, which is where like the bigger sections were, because that's where all the white spots are. But for the most part, I think it turned out pretty well, and I hope you liked this video, and if you did, make sure to subscribe and like and comment down below, and I'll see you in my next one.